Hi, I'm Ben from Cambridge Audio, and I'm here at CEDIA 2013 to talk to you about the new additions to our Azure 851 series. First up, we have the new 851W and 851E. The 851W is our new Class Xd power amplifier. This can be separately configured either as a 200 watt per channel stereo power amplifier, or you can switch it into dual mono mode, in which case it becomes a 500 watt monoblock amplifier. The 851W uses our Class Xd amplification, which is a proprietary Cambridge Audio technology. And what Class Xd does, it gets the benefit of low distortion Class A sound, but with the advantages, sort of lower heat, etc., of a Class AB design. And that is something that's a proprietary Cambridge Audio technology. The 851W, just like the 851E, uses, again, our proprietary Terrapin modules so instead of standard op-amps. Op-amps aren't optimized for audio, so essentially what we did with our Terrapin modules is that we developed our own. So both the 851E and the W use these proprietary Terrapin op-amp modules. And in the 851E, what we have is our high-end analog preamplifier on the back here. So the 851E and W replaced the older 840E and W. And a few changes that we made, we replaced the, you may remember the older clicking resistor ladder volume control in the 840 series. We now use a new balanced silicon gate volume control, which gives much smoother operation and no more clicking, which some people loved, but some people didn't. Brand new customizable display, so you can rename any of the inputs. Rather than just being source 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., you can rename them to the products that you may actually have connected to the unit. And we've added second balance connection on the back. So on the back we have 8 unbalanced RCA connections, as well as 2 balanced XLR inputs on the back of the unit here. So high-end analog preamplifier and awesome 500 watt or 200 watt stereo power amplifier. And another addition to the range is our new Azure 851D, and this is our reference DAC. Good way to think of the 851D is we've taken the award-winning DAC circuitry and audio upsampling from the ISA award-winning 851C, and we've simply removed the CD tray, so we've removed the transport, and we've added many more digital inputs to give us a truly high-end DAC. So what we have inside here, we have twin analog devices, AD1955 DACs, coupled with our ATF audio upsampling. So all audio is upsampled to 24384 for superior low jitter sound. We have 4 different types of digital input that can be used on this DAC. So we have 6 traditional digital inputs, so SPDIF, Toslink. But on top of that, we also have BNC, balanced AES digital input. But on top of that, we also have Bluetooth connectivity in the form of our BT100 Bluetooth receiver, and we have fully asynchronous USB audio input on the back of this unit as well. Now, on top of being a high-end digital to analog converter, the 851D can also be configured as a full digital preamplifier. By enabling the setting in the setup menu, the analog output from the unit is variable, so you could connect this directly, for example, into a power amplifier such as our 851W or into active speakers. And the really important thing to note about the digital preamplifier in the 851D is that the preamplification is done fully in the digital domain and not by bit reduction. The volume control is done by a very powerful DSP, which we also have running our ATF upsampling. So that allows us to also use that DSP for the volume control. And that's very important because it means we have high quality digital volume control that is not bit reduction. So you can connect this directly into a power amplifier or active speakers without any loss in sound. So what we have in this new range, we have a high quality DAC and digital preamplifier for our digital customers, our digital users, as well as high-end analog preamplifier for our traditional users with analog sources, which can all be connected through the awesome 851W power amplifier.